2 more tries. Backtail a Tesla Cybertruck. I was confident all week thinking about it, but now I'm like, dude, this is gnarly. I'm gonna wax the shit out of it.
This dude across the street's looking over here like, what the f is about to go down?
We're in Long Beach, where we found this low loading dock. Here to straight up backtail this Cybertruck. It looks like way easier when you see it driving down the street and you're like, hey, damn, I think I could backtail that.
How did you find a Cybertruck to do this?
I photoshopped myself backtailing a Cybertruck that I pulled off Google, put it on Instagram to see if anyone was out there that would let me backtail their Cybertruck. Someone local reached out, which couldn't have been any more perfect. I mean, this thing is just really nice. It's brand new. Dude, I don't know, it's just like gnarly to jump on a car and skate it. I honestly thought it was gonna be so much mellower, but now I'm like, dude, this is gnarly. There's like so many different little like nooks and crannies on there. Also where, you know, I don't know what's gonna happen. Mr. Leo Romero on the set.
P-Puds.
What?
No stalling, dude. You gotta get to work, bro.
You see what I'm doing.
You know, stalling, bro.
Think it's doable? I think it's gonna be tricky because it goes from the recycled plastic and then it starts to go to like glass.
You could like literally.
And glass doesn't really slide as good as you would want it to. I wonder how you're gonna get through that.
We got this today?
Absolutely, man.
I think you can get in the weeds, but I think if you just jump on a grind, you'll break.
No, hell no, dude. Look how gnarly this shit is, so sharp.
If you put like actually
You'll
like
stick. You'll stick on a grind, dude.
No, man.
Nah? Fuck, man. Alright, go fast. Right, Tim? I don't think Cybertrucks were meant to skate. It was fucked. This is round 2, and the new location is much better. The hardest thing is to find the right loading dock. I was just randomly driving down this street and I just saw this. And I didn't know right away that this is the same spot that Jerron, Barra, Costin, all my favorite guys, they all skated here, you know? And so now I have something that is gonna make me feel a lot more comfortable, more confident, and you know, the game plan is just to get this thing knocked out.
Alright, we got it. We have it done right now. thought that you guys were part of us, but no.
Couple more tries, we're out. Son.
Killed it, Torey.
Dude, that was the craziest thing I've ever done. Seriously. I'm like so hyped that we just got that. Felt so good, dude. And I don't want to do that again. I'm cooling on skating cars for a minute. I got to do a once in a lifetime opportunity. I'll never get to do that again. I couldn't be any more grateful. All thanks to Pure PPF. They're the company that makes the wraps for those Cybertrucks. It couldn't have been any of a sweeter deal. It's like I got to fuck it up and then they just rewrapped the truck. That was seriously the coolest thing. I'm beyond grateful. These limited edition boards are hand signed by me. Available now at storiedsskateboarding.com. Grab one before they sell out. I'm just so stoked, dude, straight up. Sometimes you gotta keep the tank filled. Or wait, no, it's all electric. Gotta stay charged.